Hello. I just figured something out that has bothered me for days now, and that's the revive history does not has not technically work earlier. So, like on the medic here, on the veteran, you see I to get this I need at least one kill with weapon class 7, which is a submachine gun, and also some revives, or the sum of submachine guns and the sum and revives together should be at least one. So with unmodded, we can see that I have one revive, so we can try to start server and check. And I've found out, like with the get player info, that it should be a revive just by process of elimination. Like, I know that a history of heal equals or heal is the keyword for what the player history has for heals. So I just guessed that putting revive into here would equal the player history for revives. But let's go in now and check. So we have one heal and one revive. So that means we should cover it. So the only thing we need now is either a submachine gun kill or a revive. So let's try to kill him and try to revive him, but we did not get anything. So let's try to edit it. We kill the server, we go to get player info in the ASXP, you can pause it here. So let's see, first we copy the heal, no sorry, we copy the revives, do not add the comma, and then we find the initial player data array, and here we have, like, you can see many, but we miss the revive, so we paste it here and we fix the comma there. And also I'm unsure if this, it's like it's commented out, but I just do it for safety, if it actually does something. I'm pretty sure it doesn't, but let's do it anyway. So here it tries to fetch all these from the database. So let's add revives from the database, because I saw that in the player we have revives and heals, so it's with full name. So we have added it here now. They're most likely just for fun, it's redundant, but from we now fetch the revives, and we've also just put it in the end of the array that is built. Then we save. Let's double check that we have that's good. We start the server. And we can see that we still only have this one, heal and revive. Now the server is complete and we join. And here you go. It finally works, even though it shouldn't or originally didn't work. We have now edited it so that the player history of revives now works as medal requirements. So that should be interesting, and I wonder if any more could get inside. Like if this is the list that has to be filled in to get player history medal requirements, then I'm definitely going to add more, because I guess everything is listed in the statistics control center medal requirements. Let's just check the default ones. But like here for player history, global stat that is, you can see that it only is flag defense. For instance, it has no flag captures or flag assists or neutralizes. So my guess is that this really drives, if the name of the stuff the player does is not here in this array, then it cannot be a medal requirement. So I have to add, like, I guess you have to add things from here. So we can add captures and select, like, enter it here and go up here and find, this is for building BF2HQ, and I guess this is to check medals. So I'm not sure if, like, in the base game you don't need revives for anything, but you need heals for, like, first aid badge and stuff. So I guess the logic is that this is for building the entire BF2HQ, and this is just for building, like, this is just for building what the base game needs to have for every default medal. So if you want to have revives, you do what I just said, and if you want captures, you have to fetch it from the database, which is here, and also put, let's see, let's do it live. It was kind of interesting. It's CP. So we copy that and we put it here. CP, yeah, it shouldn't be there. So we save it. I'm gonna pause because I'm pretty sure I don't. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna pause now. Okay, so I'm back I got a capture, played around, and played until I captured a control point. But now we have to check. I did a mistake and killed. I played as medic, so I got some submachine gun kills. So it's 5 plus 1 now. So if we go to this, and it was CP. Yeah, we can actually just do another weapon class. Let's see, I haven't got any with a grenade launcher or assault rifle, so that's either 0 or 1. I cannot remember exactly what. So that means that it needs assault rifle or grenade launcher kill, or capture, fully capture, and it needs the sum of it to be at least 1. So we know we don't have any assault rifle kills, but we have 1 CP capture. So that means we fill the requirement. If this works though. So let's check. So I'm gonna start the server. Whoa, that's interesting. Do you have 2? How is that possible? Yeah, that was my mistake. So let's find a unsuspecting victim. Well, it works, and I know it really works because I've set the bar really low on the other history. But we know it works because this, I hadn't filled that requirement, but I had filled these requirements. The reason why I got every other medal was that when I got that, the expert took over, and I only needed 2 kills with weapon class 7, which is a submachine gun, and I had 5 from that round where I needed to farm that one fully capture. So that's kind of funny, but that's really awesome, because I've struggled for some days now trying to find if I had perhaps a wrong keyword for a revive. So I've like tried to put like res and revive and other stuff like that, but it never worked. So I'm pretty glad I finally figured it out. So yeah, that's I'm probably going to do something with weapon constants another time, or in this same video, perhaps, when I'm pretty in a good groove now, so I can maybe do some constants. Let's do that.